Hello, and welcome back to Rev Lexus, the Lexus channel for us enthusiasts and owners. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to repair, touch up the leather in the Lexus SC 430 behind me. So stay tuned for this video. So I thought I'd better give us all a quick look at what the interior looks like beforehand. I am going to do some leather cleaner on all this kind of aged leather where I can, and a wee bit on the door panel there. Not sure if I'm brave enough to try the centre area yet, and then the same again on the passenger side. So I think we're going to go ahead and I'll close that, open the roof up. A little bit squeaky, but I'm going to get that sorted next weekend. I've got a better look at the interior before we get started. Again, I'm just going to start off with brushing it into the leather. Quite hard to do with the camera phone. And then I'll buff it in with the microfiber cloth to make sure it really gets in there. So I've been going over it with a little cloth just to kind of really get into the grain, just to make sure it's all fitting in nice and it can left with like streaky marks. It might need another bit because if you can see the leather there is pretty dark, just worn, so I might be able to repair that, but hopefully the dye works a little bit better and brings it up a little bit. Then I'm going to work my way onto the seats. Again, I'll do it properly. I just wanted to show you guys using the brush on the seats, just to kind of get it well covered, and then again I'll use the cloth to get it really in there so I'm not having streaky lines on the leather seats, because it's the last thing you want to do is ruin it. And that's after the first coat of touch-up dye, so I plan to let that cure for about 24 hours and see how it looks tomorrow. Excuse the ass print, I think that's just over the previous owner and myself, but yeah, it's a bit destroyed there, but apart from that, I think it looks better already. But see how it dries up. And in here, I'm not sure how that's gonna, maybe I need another application, see what happens. But yeah, fingers crossed everybody. This is how the seats are looking the next day. As you can see, quite an improvement of how they were before we started yesterday. Not perfect, but an improvement at least. So if you guys want to comment below what you think of the results, this is for one application, I think it looks not too bad. That's been pretty much almost 24 hours now since it was done. I just want to say thanks very much for watching Rev Lexus. As always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to Rev Lexus below. If you're owner or enthusiast and you find this video useful, comment below your thoughts on my efforts, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!